Welcome everybody, Bobby Two Pops breaks Friday. It is January the 17th. We are breaking a Gold Rush 16 by 20 football photos. It is a 2-box break from a case we started the other night, last night maybe. 1 in 7, randomed up our 4 boxes, got 1 in 7. Pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized all the customers, gave them all a chance to trade. No one in a trade mood though. So, gonna go into our break, but I am gonna double check chats one last time for any late offers there. Not seeing anything. Here we go, guys. Box in our 2 boxes. Alrighty guys, here we go. Jesus Christ. Man, how many of these do we need? Again guys, it is a great looking photo. Got a great SIG on it. It's really a great looking photo. The colors, everything pop on it. But what's this? Our 8th one? I mean, good Lord, like I said, the first 1 or 2 times, it's like, okay, but this is like getting to be crazy. It's like, you know, they should have called it the Marcus Mariota and Others series. Well, I'm sorry about that, guys. We knew we were going to get a couple studs along the way here, so case has been solid so far, but I do believe that was D. John. Yes, sir. Well, that's his second one. I'm sure he's thrilled about that. Oops, sorry. D. John. He must not be in chat right now because, like I said, on the last one he pulled, he'd be having a fit on me right now. Yeah, I mean, it's a great photo, everything, man. It's just, how many of them do we need? I mean, I'm not kidding. It's like, it's literally like Marcus Mariota and Friends series. It's like, because, alright guys, see what we're gonna get here. Bam, well, gonna be one of my favorite players from the modern era, guys. Again, case continues to yield us some decent stuff there, folks. Gonna be a beautiful LaDainian Tomlinson. Got a giant SIG, guys, on that thing. Beautiful SIG. LaDainian hologram Beckett certification as well, folks. Beautiful giant SIG from my boy LaDainian Tomlinson, guys. Well, I know the Mariota wasn't thrilling, folks, but very, very nice LaDainian there, man, and I don't care what anybody says. I ain't gonna complain when anytime I pull LaDainian. Well, Kyle's first hit of the case there. Bam, nice hit for you, Kyle. We got 2 boxes left, guys, and again, the cases, you know, continue to hit pretty well for us, you know. Haven't gotten any, you know, Mannings or anything like that, but again, man, we have had some solid names and such there. So definitely, you know, hitting better than we did in that last one. Y'all have a good one. Join us at Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Join the Facebook group, Bobby Two Pops Breaks.